looking at now is the Locksmith Mazda 2014, this 2-in-1 model. This 2-in-1 model can unlock the new Mazda, such as Mazda Axela, Atenza, and other models. Flat cut key. We can see that the gauge board has positions 310. The lock also has positions 310. There are 4 cut depths, 1, 2, 3, and 4, where 1 is the highest cut and 4 is the deepest cut. Now let me demonstrate for you unlocking, including reading the cuts and making the key. First, we insert the tool into the lock. Insert it all the way, then raise the force lever. Next, find the hard pins to press position 3 is a hard pin, press it. Position 5, position 7 is soft, position 9 is hard, good. Position 3 is hard, position 4 is soft, position 6 is hard, press down, position 8 is soft, position 10 is hard, press down. All right, the lock is now unlocked. Now let's read the cuts. We see that the 3rd position is 2, the 4th position is 1. Let's write that down. The 5th position is 3, the 6th position. The 7th position is 4. The 8th position is 4, 2 4s. The 9th position is 2. The 10th position is 3, so the cuts are 2, 3. All right, now let's take the tool out. These are the cuts we just read, 21, 3, 2, 4, 4, 2, 3. Now let's see how to input this into the CNC machine. We click on Automotive key here, find the brand and model, choose Mazda. Now we choose Atenza. We can see that the model number is Mazda 2014. This is in the database. Now, following the diagram, align the key blank with the 3rd line of the M5 fixture. Now let's input the cuts, 21, 3, 2, 4, 4, 2, 3. Now let's clamp the key. Clamp it tightly. Click to start cutting. All right, the key is now cut. Now let's see if it can unlock. We'll insert the freshly cut key into the lock. Ah, it opens, no problem. This is the demonstration I showed you. Unlocking the Mazda 2014 2-in-1 unlocking and reading cuts for key making.